Hello and welcome back once again to Berserker's Den. In this episode we are covering what's been happening, fitting a roof rack and fitting a Maxxair dome fan to the van. To skip to that bit, go to this timestamp. I know it's been a long while since I've posted anything, but there is reasons behind it. I haven't given up just yet, we've just had a few teething problems. Such as having a couple leaky windows, which meant needing to take up the old floorboards as these were ruined. Needing to cut away at some of this old sticky sound deadening to locate all the screw holes which would need refilling. Making up new cuts for the floors, which I used the old floorboards for as a template. I used 5mm ply. Looking back, rather than saving a few pennies and having a couple mil of space, 9mm would be better. I have also changed the layout this time, with DPM covering the base of the van, with the carpet insulation on the centre, topped with the 5mm boards. These have been riveted in rather than screwed. I put a protective sheet on the top until we fit the decorative flooring at the end. And of course we fixed the windows. The seal has been cleaned off. This is just for demonstration purposes. Behind the scenes I have been prepping for future videos. Also, whilst away to a festival, we had a bit of an issue that the DPF kept coming up as a fault. We later learned it was the sensor, which has been replaced. However, this meant the van kept going into limp mode for a good time. During my time away from making content, I contacted an amazing bloke who goes by the name of Gareth about fabricating a custom roof rack and rear ladder. And he did not disappoint. Gareth worked his magic and created these exceptional works of art, which Martin will paint with Raptor and add a light bar to the front and brake and indicators to the rear. To fit the roof rack, it was made to fit on the lugs on the van. But we did use 2 bolts here in the centre, which actually proved quite handy, as I'll show you later on. Alright guys, it is now time for the main part of the video where I demonstrate to you how we fitted the Maxxfan Done fan. The version that I got is the black version, so it's got a black dome on the top as opposed to white. I thought this would fit the van a lot better with the grey and black theme that we're going for. It also comes with an LED halo. So once the fan's all fitted in and connected up, this goes on the inside of the van on the ceiling, and it just gives you a little bit of light around the fan. So this will look quite pretty once it's all set up. The whole kit cost me 130 quid, give or take a couple pennies. So let's show you how we did it, and it looks a little something like this.
The first thing I had to do was prep the board that helps support the fan and gives the screws something to grip. I marked out the fan hole size, and then I cut a few mil away from this to create the square size. This is 18 mil ply. To cut the hole, I pilot holed and then used a jigsaw. Remember the bolts that we used to help fit the roof rack? Well, this is what I used as a reference to measure our safe zone for putting in the fan. I found these from North Devon campers, which are 3D printed frames which go on the roof to level it out and fill in the dips in the ribs. These prove to be really handy, and they are a quick and friendly service. I highly recommend this to everyone. To fit, mark out your area and then make a pilot hole into your van as an initial hole, and then use a jigsaw to cut the bigger hole. Once you have your hole cut, prime it, as you now have bare metal and the primer helps prevent rust. These are the screws that we will use, as the ones that came with the fan will be too short. For the gluing process, we are using Tiger Seal. First, glue the side of the adapter, which will be in contact with the van. Once that has been fitted, repeat on the other side for the fan. Screwing, we used 6 screws. 1 in each corner, and then 1 at the top and 1 at the bottom. Make sure you line up your holes to the centre of the ribs and not on the edges.
Go back one. Front one now.
Once all is fitted, I put more primer on the screws just to protect them.
And that just about wraps it up, guys. I know once again it's been a rather quick video, but it really is a simple thing to do, and it's one of those necessary ones as well for ventilation. I forgot to mention that the fan is only an extractor fan. It doesn't pull air in, it only takes air out or steam out or anything like that. The reason I've put it there is that's where I'm roughly aiming for the hop to be. I'd like to give an honourable mention as well to Rogue Alloy Wheels, as I've put some new wheels and tyres on the van, and it just completes the exterior of the van. It just makes it look incredible, and that's where I got them from. Again, I will put a link down below for that. If you're wondering what's going to happen next, the plan is going to be I'm going to mount the solar panels on the roof in preparation for feeding all the electrics through the van. So until then, my friends, cheers.